Stiffemiddelknot, stiffemiddelknot, stiffemiddelknot. Knot, knot, knot. Stiffemiddelknot, stiffemiddelknot, stiffemiddelknot.
What's up? Today we're going to replace the screen on a Nokia Lumia 1020. Make sure your device is powered on, and with this device make sure you don't push the button as you start working on it, which happened to me twice just now. Once it's powered down, you're gonna start by removing the SIM tray, SIM card. To the side, don't lose it. Then in the little hole here, and some phones there might be a little sticker on it, but the little hole is there. The T4 screwdriver, you're gonna unscrew that. It's not gonna come all the way out, but just unscrew it all the way. Like you'll feel it bump when it's far enough. Okay, then you're going to start on the left side of the phone. Gently pry it up. Don't pull it off all the way because there's a connector. Let's see what we got. We can get under there. Let's use some plastic. Come on. Okay. This looks like we're going to have to go a little bit different route here. There it is. Just gotta get it going, I guess. Really? I get a lot of comments on trying to use metal. Okay, there it is. Be gentle, make sure you don't damage the side here. There it is, clicking out nicely. Like so. And then if you look on the new screen is like this. Connector is right here. So it's gonna be right about there. So let's gently fold it open. I don't know how well this shows. Like that. Here's my little spudge tool. Ah, I see what I warned you for. I just turned it on. I'm gonna wait a second here, push the button, which is stupid. If it's still like this, it doesn't really matter. It's going to say no SIM or no SIM commission. Just wait for it to boot up, power it down. If you, I don't particularly know about this phone because I haven't had it yet, but if you leave it powered on, you plug the screen in, the phone doesn't recognize the new screen, and then you have to reset it, and it's just a pain. So power it off. Now it's powered down again. Let me remember not to push the button again. Okay, there we go. Yeah, it's just a push connector, so I should be able to just pry it up. There it is. Look at that. Is it attached? Yeah, look. Top, it folds open. And we got front-facing camera there. Where is that connected? Is that just a pull? Yeah, there we go. And just a plug-in also. Looks like it. That's for the front-facing camera. Okay, I bought the simple screen in this particular case, which I think is easiest. See, I got all that right there. So all I'm going to change is front-facing camera, plug it back in, and click it back together. Let's see what we got. Be gentle with this piece. This is going to be your sensor flex, which proximity sensor, I should say. Let's see if we can get this camera out here. This is the rubber. There we go. Camera's out, and now come on. Let's see what we got. Maybe we heat it up a little bit. Get the glue going. It's a heat gun on low. The hair dryer will do. The hair dryer on high should produce enough heat. There we go.
That's a little. Hey, the thing says that it's sharp.
Sorry about that edit. We were had a little customer come in. Okay, we were working on this proximity sensor here. Just gently pry it up. Like a little bit of heat might be alright, but I think in this case I got it. There it is. See, the glue can come off because the new screen, like if you get the new screen with the frame like this, it has a new piece of glue. Okay. Make sure the old glue comes off. Like so. Really? Almost. There we go. Okay. Sure that there's no okay. We go. Right there. Camera squeezes right in, plastic. It's got the little stubby so it lines up nicely. Straighten it out a little bit. There we go. Perfect. Now we're going to take this tab off. There we go. Now let's see. That's good. That's good. Okay, and it seems to be a protective cover over this here. Hey. Okay. There's a couple pieces here on the screen that I want to take off. These pieces are here for a reason. I'm going to take this one. There we go. Everything on the old phone is there for a reason. So if it's not on your new screen and you get the, you can peel it off, peel it off. Just make sure you get under the sticky the way you can actually pull it off. Like this one's giving me some trouble. Oh. Well, we're getting most of it. There it is. Like that. We got one more here. Don't quite know what this sticky is, but we'll put it in. Pull it off anyway. Is. And there's a big rubbery one right here, and then this is a protective cover here, which I'm going to peel off first because there we go. We got that, and you see underneath the plug here there is a cushiony thingy which ends up pushing on this thing which you want, so if you drop it, it doesn't bump out. It's going to be sitting like so. Make sure that the screen doesn't come unplugged. Okay, we got that, we got one more here. See, I hope I'm not having my big head in front of the camera. There we go. like that. One more piece, this long strip right here. Okay, seem to have everything from the old screen. There it is. Looking pretty good. Okay. Already reassembly. That's the easy thing about buying the screen like this. It's a little bit more pricey, but it makes for a fairly easy repair. Okay, we're going to start with the camera. The camera flex, I should say. Front facing camera proximity sensor flex. It just plugs in. And again, I'll try to do it without sticking my head in the way. There it is. Plugs in good. Okay. Now, I'll turn it around. So, slide this side. You're going to be able to see the parts of the screen. These little tabs, they hook into the frame like so. Really? Okay, I guess we're going to go the other way around. We're going to stick a finger in through here, plug in the screen. Like, don't pull too hard, you don't want to strain this one too much. There it is. That one plugs in nicely. Make sure this one is still plugged in good. Okay, now we're gonna jiggle it, wiggle it a little bit so you can see that this. I'll pull the protector off because it's getting in my way. Whatever you gotta do to make that look nice. Up a little, down a little, left a little, right a little. There it is. Now we're going to gently squeeze. That's it. Should be it. Now we're going to take a T4 screwdriver again. Tighten that screw. Don't over tighten it, just tight as tight. There we go. That's it. You're going to put your SIM card back in. I don't have a SIM, but at least put the tray back in. And now we're going to find out. Well, the phone still comes on. The screen comes on. That's a good sign. Seems to be working good. I like it. And that's your do-it-yourself repair on a Nokia 1020 Lumia, Nokia Lumia 1020 with a big camera. Buy this part. with the frame and everything. You probably can find them without the frame. It's a pain in the ass, and it's not going to be cheap. You're only spending, when I got this part, I looked around and I saw a couple of them without the frame, and it's like only a $20 or $30 difference. It's not worth it. Look, this phone looks like new, feels like new, is awesome. If you're going to separate that, it needs to glue back. Just, I know you want to save some money, but look, I like it. Go with the full assembly, just because it's the easiest way to go. It's definitely worth the money. All parts and tools should shortly be available at sdcellphonerepair.com. If you like my video, please share or subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. I try to answer them as soon as I can. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Have a wonderful day, and until the next one.